this an authentic sponsor review for this full back plus neck and shoulders super large heating pad.
Something that I didn't notice before is there's a little snap on here, and these actually snap together in the front. So that's even more convenient. You don't have to worry about it falling off at all because it does snap, and I didn't even know that. I thought just the weight of it held it down, but that's really nice. There's a snap here. I use this all the time at my desk when I'm working. It keeps me warm. I'm constantly working on the computer, so I'm always getting neck aches and my shoulders get really sore. So this is really great for me. It keeps it nice and warm. All my muscles relaxed. It keeps me warm throughout the winter, and I just love this.